So hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So guys, if you want the iPhone X and you don't have enough money, don't worry, I have a trick for you guys to experience the display of the iPhone X. So if you search here, let me just focus here. So if you search here Notch iPhone X, you will get a bunch of applications, but you have to click the second one, this Notch for iPhone X, and this is themes iPhone X. It just creates an iPhone X notch here right above the status bar. So I've installed it already, so let's open it and see what can it do. So as you can see, first when you install it, you have to enable all the permissions that I've did, and you just click this button to enable the notch, and you can increase or decrease the size of the notch as per your requirement. So I'm gonna clip it at full, and I'm gonna reduce the notch to this, like, okay. So you can also enable the infinity display like this. You get a whitish finish, mirror type finish right here, and the screen detection. These features doesn't work right now, but it's okay. It is available on the Play Store, and the link will be given in the description box below also, guys. So let's see what happens when we play a video. So guys, if you haven't watched my MIUI 9 8.1.8 review, you can watch it. And as you can see, the notch moved to the center of the screen. So as you can see, the notch is there. I'm gonna lower the volume. So welcome back guys, and welcome back to the video. So as you can see, the notch is right there. It does not features anything, it just creates a camera like simulation of the iPhone X. Let me just focus, and as you can see, the camera sensor right there. And instead of having the notch here, you can get the notch here also. So it rotates with the screen when you rotate it. And if I watch the video like this, let me just T-screen it, click here. Okay, I cannot click here. Okay guys, so as you can see, this cuts the video a lot. And let me just open Play Store like this. So as you can see, we don't have any problem, it looks great. So let's open right now YouTube, just YouTube, no video, just YouTube. So as you can see, I'm on the YouTube homepage. So as you can see guys, you have got a notch there, and it's no problem. You can click search, live cam, and the channel types. And what happens when you open WhatsApp? So let's open WhatsApp. Let me just check my messages. So guys, I have opened WhatsApp, and as you can see, the notch is still there, and the infinity display look kinda have been seen here. So there is no absolute problem in using the notch in the normal phone. Let's see what happens when you open the lock screen. It is clear that the notch is there in the lock screen, and if you click there, you can disable the notch also. Let's do that. So you have to go to the application and click right here, disable, so it will disable. Or you can increase the size of the notch or decrease if you have any problem of the button clicking. I guess not living is okay guys. So infinity screen is also disabled right now. I'm clicking, I'm enable the notch. So as you can see, I have enabled the notch, and the background doesn't work right now. So that is it for this video guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash the like button, and you can download this app from the Play Store as well as from the link in the description. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @PhoneBunch_15. I post new replies there, and you can get the notification of the new video every time if I post. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you just forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah guys, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching guys, peace out, and I will see you in the next video.